12. Let's hear my story.
Two friends sat under a big tree and looked up. On the branches sat 12 tiny birds chirping a sweet song. "One bird for each month," the boy said. Other child nodded. "They're singing just for us."
That was so much fun. I hope you liked my story. Bye-bye, everyone. See you next time.